Come on now, easy.
Come on now, easy boy. Right this way.
He is clear for the next stage. Okay, moving him forward now. Let's verify the microchip scan data here. Confirm the readings match the profile.
Scan complete.
Confirmed on the monitor. Matched.
All right, documenting the results now.
The thermal scan confirms no inflammation, everything within spec.
Verified. Procedure complete.
Ensure the morphology data is logged in Section 3.
Logging now, Doctor. Everything else appears within normal parameters.
The white blood cell count is stable.
Confirmed. Checklist item 4 is complete.
The final review is complete. All parameters are within the acceptable range. Verified. The screens are updated.
Everything's secured here. And the system check is green. We are ready.
Here is the polished beige horn, ready for inspection.
The texture and density look good. Approved.
The dimensions are accurate. You can proceed with the cutting.
The thickness is right at 2 millimeters.
Okay, the grain is consistent. Approved for cutting.
Double check the alignment on these, please. Already done, they match the specs. Good. Let's maintain this efficiency.
The leather handles are secured properly. Let me check the alignment of the hardware now. Everything looks good. The measurements are precise. We're aligned. Excellent. You may begin the cutting process now.
Check the stitching on this corner. One loose fiber, correcting it now. Looks good to pass.
Did you get the tracking label printed for this one?
Yeah, it's right here, ready to go.